For some people who have trouble falling asleep or have trouble with anxiety, the wet socks really help calm our nervous system. A technique that we love to recommend is called magic socks or wet socks. What are magic socks or wet socks? Well, they're wet socks. All you need is a pair of cotton socks and a pair of wool socks. And you take the cotton socks, you wet them and wring them so that they're damp, and put those on your feet. And this is just before bedtime. And then you put a pair of wool socks over the damp cotton socks. So it sounds a bit crazy and a bit uncomfortable, but it really works. It helps increase our immune system. It helps increase circulation, both great for fertility, of course. So when our circulation increases as our blood flow wants to help us dry out these wet socks or our wet feet, and with that increased blood flow, of course, it's increasing blood flow to our reproductive organs as well. So male and female, wet socks are amazing. And also, if you're ever starting to feel sick, this is a great way, especially when a woman is pregnant, a great way to help boost our immune systems, especially in cases where we don't want to take any medication. And ideally, if we can do it a natural way, let's do it, especially when we're pregnant. Another benefit of magic socks or wet socks is they actually help calm our nervous system. So for some people who have trouble falling asleep or have trouble with anxiety, the wet socks really help calm our nervous system. For magic socks, we recommend that somebody uses them for at least a couple weeks to see the benefit, and then continue from there every night, ideally. If you'd like to learn more, please like and subscribe to my channel.